memories from the past, like embers inside our souls. Truth will always last, a part of us they can't control.